It was at this moment he knew he's fucked up.
There you go. I'm gonna get the other one. Oh, they close! Happy birthday! Even though it's not his birthday. Don't yard! Don't put it in his mouth, though. Oh, yeah. Go inside. Let's your other reaction. No, they're gonna get really mad. Don't touch my cousin. Don't touch my friend. Ah, God. Oh, no. Okay. Good morning, guys. MA2. It's not really morning. It's the afternoon. We just pranked him.
Hey, we're gonna go to the shower. We're just gonna put our heads into those. Not funny.
Yeah, it's definitely funny. What do you guys think? Do you think it's funny? You think it's funny?
Run in the comments. Alright,
come wash your... Don't let it go in your eyes. Just come wash your... God, your ears are bleeding.